Hello, in this video we'll be going over the roster section of the CampusLabs website for UAH's event website. So we begin by clicking these three lines to bring up our tabs, and then we will select the roster section of the tabs. Once you're at the roster menu, you have several options. For this tab, you can invite people to your club organization, you can export your current roster, you can manage positions, and you can message members. To invite people, you just click on Invite People. And then you can enter email addresses, and it will send emails to the associated school email so you can invite individuals to your club. You can manage positions of the people within the club in this Manage Positions tab. Here you can add the type of title members in the club can have. All you would need to do is click Add Position, and you can add a subset of position. Here you can see I have advisor added, I have member, president, secretary, treasurer. So all you would need to do is click Add Position. This takes you to the Create Position. Now you have a couple of requirements for it here. You can do a position name, what the title is, what type of member they have to be, either a regular member or an officer. You can have them be active or past positions, so to show a history. You can show this publicly on the organization's roster. You can receive organization contact from form emails. You can also set the management access. So people with this position have access to no management features. You can have them have access to all management features, and you can have limited access where you can choose specific management features as you come along. Now to return to the roster. So here we have the roster, and I have set myself as primary contact, but hitting this edit button, I can select other members in the club and give them the title of primary contact. And then you have four different sections: current members, members that are pending an acceptance of the invite to the club, prospective members that may be able to join the club, and then the terms and conditions that certain club members or officers are under. So assignments like how long the presidency lasts for, or the requirements for that specific title. And then finally, we have the messaging tab, which you can use to manage the messages that are being sent to and from the club, rather relays or texts. So you can send text messages of those who have provided their phone number in their UH profile. And then relays, you can add a message relay and set the title of the email, what recipients will receive the email, or you can select a specific member or members, or you can even select all. So this is useful for creating mass messaging amongst your club organization. And that is how you manage adding people to the club, managing the positions within the club, and how to contact those that are within the club.